Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to link a debit or credit card to your PayPal account so you can start sending money, shopping online, or paying bills with ease. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com/sign-in. Log in using your email address or phone number and your password. Once you're logged into your account, look at the right-hand side of the screen under the section that says Banks and Cards. You'll see an option that says Link a Card or Bank. Go ahead and click on that. A small pop-up menu will appear on your screen. From here, click Link a Debit or Credit Card on the next page. Click on Debit or Credit Card under the option that says Link a Card manually. You'll also notice PayPal gives you the option to link your card directly through your online bank if your bank appears on the list below. But for now, let's continue. Manually.next. Enter your card details. That includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If you don't already have a billing address connected to your PayPal account, you'll need to add it at the bottom of the form. Sometimes, PayPal will ask you to sign in again just to confirm it's really you. That's totally normal and part of their security check. Once all your details are filled in, scroll down and click the blue Link Card button, and that's it. Your debit or credit card has now been added to your PayPal account and can be used for payments or purchases. Now, in some cases, PayPal might ask you to confirm your card before you can use it. If you see a small link next to your card that says Confirm Card, just click on it. PayPal will make a tiny charge to your card and include a 4-digit code in the transaction description. It usually takes about 2 to 3 business days to appear on your card statement. Once you get that code, go back to PayPal and click on Wallet. Select your credit card. Enter the 4-digit code and click Confirm. After that, PayPal will refund the small charge and your card will be fully verified and ready to go. And there you have it. Your debit or credit card is now successfully linked and verified on PayPal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.